Okay, where's my Millie? I figured since you guys hear her in the background all the time, I might as well have her in this video. He אוכלת הטילונול. I'm a wonderful parent. Okay, so let's go through the vocabulary together. I'll say them, and then Amelia will repeat them, right? She's very curious as to what's going on here. Oh, you saying hi? Say shalom. Say shalom. We're almost there. Almost there. Okay, so our vocabulary for this week is, for chapter 9, we have et, which can be either the definite direct object, which we don't translate. It's just, remember, it's a pointer word, points at whatever the direct object of the clause is. Or, in some cases, it can be with, okay? Then we have saviv. Saviv, can you say saviv? Saviv. Saviv. Somebody's teething. Okay, saviv means around, and sometimes you'll hear it as misaviv, from around. We have im. Im is another preposition, and remember we said that prepositions are what, Amelia? What are prepositions? Relationship words. That's right. Im. Im. Yes. See, we are with each other. Im. Right? And a good way to remember that is Immanuel. With us, God. Zavach. Here we have our verb. Remember we talked about the way to recognize verbs in the Kal perfect, the way we learn them at least for the lexical forms, or the way that we look them up in the dictionary, is this kametz patach kind of combination. It won't work every time, but it often does. So zavach is to slaughter, but remember we're learning the words as they're inflected already, and zavach is he slaughtered or made sacrifice. Okay. Then we have mizbeach. Mizbeach is an altar. Okay, and then mizbechot, which is an irregular masculine plural. You'll notice it has the ot ending, doesn't it? Has that ot ending. She's sharing with me. Abba achal et hatilonol. You see? Ha'av, the dad. Achal, ate. Et hatilonol. Why is it et? Because the tilonol here is a direct object. Whoa! Kiddo down. Okay, then we have zevach, which you don't really need to know right now, I don't think. Karat. Karat is to cut, or hack, literally. And you hack or cut a covenant. Right? So we get this idea of cutting a covenant, karat brit. So if you said, hu karat brit, then it would be he cut a covenant. Okay, another shalach is to send, but it's really he sent. So karat is he cut, shalach is he sent or stretched out. Oh, somebody's sleepy. You sleepy? At holechet lishon? Okay, then we have esh, fire. Notice that it's feminine singular. Okay, gibor. Gibor is like a hero or warrior. In the scriptures, Gideon is called gibor chayil. A mighty warrior. I think Boaz is also referred to as gibor chayil. A mighty man of valor, it's sometimes translated. Gvura is strength or might. Dor sounds like a door, right? Because the generations are the doorway to the future. Dor and dorot. Now look what happens here. Oh dear. Let's flip to it. 101, 102 in the book, yeah? 101, 102. So, hey, babush. the plural there is not going to actually flip to the feminine plural, right? I don't know. This is, again, remember I said there's a problem with using Quizlet. This is one of those problems. All right, so dor is masculine plural, and the plural, or masculine singular, sorry, the plural is usually going to be dorot, which is still masculine, but sometimes it will be dorim. So let's not focus too much on that. Hey, you playing hide and seek? My child wants to play hide and seek with you. Efo Amelia? Amelia po. Hinehi. Hinehi. Here she is. Hine. We're going to learn that word this week as well. Hine. Hine. Okay, so we have zera is seed, and zara is to sow, or he sowed, literally, right? He sowed seed. Okay? Midbar is a desert or wilderness. Now, here's the thing, though. Midbar is in the scriptures and in the geopolitical reality of Israel. It's not a wasteland. Okay, do not translate this as wasteland. There's actually 3 different words for deserts or desert in Hebrew. Midbar is a place, a deserted area that's slightly arid but still has vegetation. It's a place that you will take sheep or your flocks away from sort of civilization, but it can be like right by a city. So, you know, I would not translate midbar as like a howling wasteland. There's other words for that, right? And in fact, you sort of have 3 steps of wilderness: midbar, tziyah, and yeshimon, as you get farther and farther away from civilization. But of course, this wonderful westernized man does not know that. Nahar, river, okay? Neharot, okay? Neharot, oh, I hate this guy. Whoever did this. What have they done here? What have they done? Look, the plurals doesn't somehow switch to feminine plural, okay? And this is why you have to be careful when you use Quizlet. I'm using it because you guys are using it. Right? It's not like this is feminine plural and this is somehow masculine plural. Forget about that.